Standard 5th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 11, Printing Techniques in Word. We have created a document using various options available in Word. Now we need to make final adjustment in the document. You can do so by applying a well-defined margin and different layout schemes. You can preview the document and adjust the page margins and finally print it. Printing the document helps you to make a copy of the document on paper. The printed copy enables you to carry it to different places. Okay. The printout is also called a hard copy. Different ways to view the document. When we create a document, Word enables us to view the document with different layouts. The different views available in Word are print layout view, full screen reading view, web layout, outline view and draft. Print layout view. This is the default view you'll find yourself in when opening a document. This view is the best used when your document will contain things like images, headers and footers, columns, etc. Each of these components will be visible. In this view, you can see how the document will print according to its page breaks. Full screen reading view. Full screen reading view is optimized for reading a document on the computer screen. In full screen reading view, you also have the option of seeing the document as it would appear on the printed page. You should view the document in full screen reading view to maximize the space available for reading or commenting on the document. Web layout view. Use web layout view to view the document as it would look like as a web page. In this view, you can see the background, text is wrapped to fit the window and images appear as they would online. Outline view. Using outline view, you can view the document as an outline and show the outlining tools. This is useful if you are moving sections of your document or creating an outline. Draft view. Use draft view to view the document as a draft to enable you to quickly add the text. Certain elements of the document such as headers and footers will not be visible in this view. Page setup. The page setup are the parameters defined by the user that help determine how a printed page appears. Okay. Those parameters can include everything from the size, margins, page orientation and quality of print. Page setup provides options for making your document look neat and disciplined. It prompts you to leave an even space on all the four sides of the document. We insert the text and graphics in the printable area inside the margins. Word provides all these options through page setup. Okay. With page setup, we can select the margins, format and type of layout for the document. Now students will learn to use the page setup. First, Select Page Setup from the Page Layout tab. Second, the Page Setup dialog box appears. Third, select the Margin tab and set the margin by using top, bottom, left and right boxes. Fourth, the changes you have made you can see in the preview section. And then fifth, click on the OK button. You will see the changes in your document. Thank you.